Hello! This is Eun-young Lee from Atomy. The product I brought today is for the handsome male members of Atomy. Today, I would like to introduce an all-in-one wash that can cleanse neatly from head to toe at once. First of all, I will introduce the all-in-one wash. When talking about all-in-one products for men, you usually see skincare products. But the reason why we created an all-in-one wash products is because men want to do everything quickly. Men usually have a life pattern of cleansing in a hurry, and especially nowadays, they use a lot of hairstyling agents and wear sunblock on the face. It's natural for women to wash those out one by one with different products, but for men, it's a totally different story, and they think it's pretty annoying. So that is why I brought this product that will allow men to wash everywhere at once. It's Atomy 𝐸 All-in-One Wash. If you look here, you can see that it is a pump-type product. You can think of it as shampoo and body wash combined together. Usually, you use shampoo and body wash separately, but this product will allow you to wash your whole body at once with the bubbles formed. When using all-in-one products, because they are designed to be used in multiple areas together, the hairstyling agent is not completely removed in many cases. So even when using shampoo, you do a pre-wash, like pre-washing the laundry. Then you wash a second time to completely remove the hairstyling product. However, Atomy 𝐸 All-in-One Wash will completely wash everything out in one wash. We tested it using all the hair waxes available on the market. You can think of it as a product that creates a very mild and small foam that cleanses away all the remaining bodily waste and residue with one wash. And the reason for targeting specifically men is that men and women have slightly different body odors and have different preferences. Men usually have a slightly stronger body odor than women. Even if both sweat the same, men's smell of sweat is a little stronger, and even if both wear the same shoes, men's feet odor is a little stronger. So it contains an active ingredient called 𝐴𝐾𝐽 Fresh that can take care of them perfectly. As for what 𝐴𝐾𝐽 Fresh consists of, if you look at all of our ingredients here, Mire Extract and Usnea Extract are combined to form 𝐴𝐾𝐽 Fresh. Body odor or foot odor is usually caused by bacteria that has grown from the sweaty areas. These ingredients kill those bacteria to eliminate bad odors and also maintains the freshness afterwards. And while it provides a highly effective wash, the product also contains organic herbal extracts that prevent skin irritation. Many of you are familiar with centella, which is also known as tiger plant. The product contains a healing complex of centella, houttania, cordata, fennel extract, basil, marshmallow, and chamomile so that you can use it freely without skin irritation. It's a very convenient product for traveling since it can be used to take care of all of your washing needs rather than carrying multiple products. And we put a lot of effort into fragrance since it's a men's product. As men age, especially after puberty, men need to care for body odor. It's a complete product for the body odor care.
Hi everyone, this is Tae-Yoon Lee, BM from Atomy 𝐸. Today I'm going to present about fragrances and their benefits. First of all, the all-in-wash product has a similar fragrance to that of an Italian perfume brand with 100 years of history. It has the sparkling elegance of the breathtaking scenery of a beach in Capri and the gentle glamour in the form of a noble gentleman. To let you have a feeling of a sense of healing from the beginning to the end of the shower. It contains scents that helps you to feel relaxed, healthy, the pleasant feeling of escaping from everyday life while taking a shower. And since the all-in-wash product is portable and works as both shampoo and body wash, it is a product that is good to take with you when you go to the gym or when you travel. After I took charge of atomy I started to think a lot about what kind of product man would need the most. Simplicity is the #1 priority for man. So we designed this product to have the functions of both shampoo and body wash and the all-in-wash. I tried all of the all-in-wash products in the market, but it felt like there was no product that works in both functions. Some products are more shampoo-like, some products are more like body wash. So when you shampoo, it feels like it's been completely washed off. So when you use body wash, it feels like it doesn't completely wash off. However, this product functions for both purposes very well, and rich and fine bubbles are very suitable for shampooing and is also effective as a body wash. Strongly recommended by Atomy BM.
VOCs, such as there are not many men's products at Atomy, and please make products specialized for men, were received a lot. And today's products were one of the most desired products from the line. Think of this product as a solution for your demands. And since it is a product that accurately reflects the lifestyle of men, you will be very satisfied. I will come back next week with another new product. Thank you.